Stephen Combs from Ivy Tech Community College joins us this morning, and we have a personal robot. Actually, it's called the LEGO Mindstorm.
Right, LEGO Mindstorms NXT, actually.
NXT. First of all, real quick, how long did it take to construct this and build the program?
Well, to construct this, I wanted to give us the example on the box because I thought that'd be the most fun. It took about 7 hours.
7 hours,
7
okay.
hours of actual construction time and programming time, because one of the things you have to do with this system is you have to build and program your robot.
Okay.
So unlike
Did that take two separate teams?
No, that was just me. That was all me at that point. So just trying to get familiar with the technology. Now, LEGO has actually been into the Mindstorms program or the business for quite some time. This is their next generation. That's why they call it the NXT. And they've done a lot to enhance the system. The old system was kind of limited in its abilities, and it used the older style of LEGO brick. Well, you'll notice, I'm not familiar, don't know how familiar you are, Sean, with Legos.
Did I played with them when I was younger, of course. Oh, yeah.
Some of these may be a little bit different than what you were used to.
They're like more modernized.
They're more modernized. These are called the Technic bricks.
Okay.
And what they've done is they've combined these Technic bricks with all these wonderful sensors. And I'm going to run through them quickly here. This sensor is an ultrasonic sensor, so it'll measure distance based on sound. We have a touch sensor here. We have a microphone built into here, so he can actually respond to voice activation. And on the back, we even have a light sensor. So if you've had a flashlight or the lights went off, he could react to that.
He's an all-purpose kind of guy.
He can do, so what you can do is you can think of all those sensors and what can I make with those sensors and make it do whatever you want. Right. Maybe he could be a burglar alarm. The door opens and, you know, he sends off an alarm. So there's a lot he can do. This morning, though, he's going to try and dance for us.
Let's see him dance.
So we're going to see if he can do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn him on.
All right.
Notice he has a little sound there. And then we're simply going to bring up our files. Now, he's waiting for a command, Sean, right now. What he wants you to do is he wants you to press his button on his arm right there. Oh, maybe if I get that right.
Okay. One more time?
One more time. So he's looking for some music so that he can dance for us. So what we can do is, on the computer over here,
he's doing the locomotion.
we can get some music going on here. And he's actually, I'm going to turn him down. We got evidently a lot of ambient sound because he's not supposed to be dancing right now. Turn that down a little bit. Move him away just a little bit. We'll see if we can get him going to the music. And he'll start getting a little rhythm to the music, and he actually will listen to the rhythm of the music and start to move with it.
Can you show us what else he can do real quickly?
Sure. Let me show you the, we're going to go ahead and turn him off. And you'll notice that he says, I'm done. Let me go into the programming here real quickly and show you what that looks like. The programming is almost as unique as the robotic system itself. One of the things that personal robots tend to be are very complicated when you're programming them. What they've done is they've taken a new way of programming by actually using this brick terminology and this brick theme, and you simply pull bricks into your programming palette to make him, to program him to do all those different things. The other thing that I really like that they do with the software is they actually give you the building instructions on screen. So if you want to learn how to build what they call the Alpha Rex, we can come up here and I can show you. So
it's got the instructions.
So all the instructions right here. You can zoom in and you can go forward and backward, and it's got everything.
Excellent. Stephen, thanks for coming on this morning.
Nice to meet you, Sean.
Okay, quick break. Be right back.